Priyanka Chopra!
Check. Hi you guys, first of all, so good to see you all. It really is. To those of you who I met yesterday, thank you. And to those of you I'm seeing you today, thank you for coming. I'm really sorry I got late. There are a million things that have been planned for me. मैं बैंड्रा कुर्ला से आ रही थी and I'd forgotten Bombay for a little while कि गाड़ी में आपको 1.5 घंटा देना चाहिए instead of half an hour from Bandra to Juhu. But thank you so much for coming and I'm just really happy to be here and I'll let you do what you have to do.
Priyanka, very important question. Yeah, yes,
Thank
welcome please, welcome back.
Thank you.
Very, very important question. What is it that you can't do? Very importantly.
I can't do gymnastics, I can't cook, I can't... A lot of things I can't do.
I mean, you know, when we look
But the things that I do, those I do well.
and you do it I've lost words being a radio presenter, but you know, right from Alex Parrish all the way to Kashi Bai and now this one, Miss Leeds, if I can call you Miss Leeds, you've been killing it and stealing the thunder and everywhere it's just Priyanka Chopra. Baywatch has become Priyanka Chopra.
Oh God.
How does it feel?
No, please, Baywatch is not at all only Priyanka Chopra. Baywatch is an ensemble of some really incredible actors, 7 people who have come together, 6 lifeguards against me.
Okay.
That's how the film is.
But very interestingly, when I think of Baywatch, the immediate synonym for Baywatch is the slow-mo run. The interesting slow-mo run. And do we have one of your scenes capturing that?
Slow-mo run तो मैंने ही सिखाई है उनको हम सालों से तो हम ही कर रहे हैं.
हमने सिखाया उनको.
मैंने जाके बोला देखो
हाँ.
टीचर मैं हूँ स्लो मोशन की. You all want it on or off? Off. Okay, so off. Off is okay. Consensus. Thanks. हम कहाँ थे?
हम स्लो-मो रन पे थे, आप सिखा रहे थे.
हाँ, मैं कह रही थी कि स्लो मोशन तो हम लोगों का मतलब हमारी खासियत है ना.
जनसिद्ध अधिकार.
Of course, especially Hindi movie actors. So obviously Baywatch has a lot of slow motion. They run, but I walk because Victoria doesn't run for anyone.
Nice, very cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to throw the questions and open for you all. Please name your organization or your newspaper, and then please ask the question. Thank you very much.
Hi.
2 things. How conscious was this choice to, you know, like do a very campy, mainstream, Hollywood tentpoler after doing Quantico? I mean, you could have picked whatever you like.
It was a conscious choice because, I mean, sorry. It was a conscious choice, I guess, to do a big tentpole movie. It's my first movie in Hollywood, so let's not assume it's the same kind of thing that happens in America. People didn't know me very much. The kind of films that came to me were very interesting because of Quantico. You can't just arrive there and say, okay, mujhe picture chahiye. You know, people have to come to you. So after Quantico, it was really nice that I got some amazing films. Out of the films that were offered to me, I liked Baywatch the most because one, it was a huge, big, you know, like global movie. I was a Baywatch fan when I was growing up. And second, I was playing the villain in the film. So I liked the idea कि मैं अपनी पहली film में कुछ, that I'm doing something different. I mean, you all know me more than anything. I've always tried to make my career a little bit to the left. Always, I've chosen little different paths. That's what excites me. So I wanted, after Alex Parrish, America to get introduced to me as something completely different because Alex is such a positive character. So completely bad was a lot of fun. Hi, I'm seeing you after so long. How are you? Yes. I play the villain, yes. Zor se bolna suna. Have I picked? Oh. I've played a villain in Hindi films before. Jaise, you know, Saath Khoon Maaf ho gaya, Aitraz, of course. Right. So, no, I wanted Victoria to be a very different. I mean, female villains हमने देखे भी नहीं है ना ज़्यादा हिंदी फिल्मों में or like characters. We've seen Kajol, who was amazing, one of my favorites. But we've seen very few, even in, especially in Hindi films. So I wanted Victoria to be very, very feminine, but at the same time evil. You know, there's something very scary about that.
Hi Priyanka, this is Sohail. Yeah, on your right. Yeah,
hi Sohail.
Welcome. Just needed to you are representing India as well as Bollywood actually in Hollywood. तो एनीथिंग लाइक व्हेन यू
और भी लोग हैं यार वहाँ पे।
नहीं पर हम अभी फिलहाल के लिए एक्चुअली इन द रीसेंट टाइम, तो एनी कॉन्शियस एफर्ट फ्रॉम योर साइड, लाइक यू नो यू ट्राइंग टू रिप्रेजेंटेड बॉलीवुड, तो ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो खास ध्यान में रखते, जैसे आपने कहा कि अभी स्लो मोशन आपने उनको सिखाया, तो ऐसी कोई,
मतलब मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ।
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, ऐसे कोई
सीरियसली नहीं, क्लास नहीं दी थी मैंने। नहीं मैं, yes, it's a good question actually because I do want to address it. एक बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप होता है हमारी फिल्मों को लेकर और इंडियंस को लेकर इंटरनेशनली, वेस्ट में, सिर्फ अमेरिका में नहीं, वेस्ट में भी, जो हम सब ने शायद एक्सपीरियंस किया हो, सुना होगा, you know, कि क्या हमारे रोड्स पे एलिफेंट्स चलते हैं कि नहीं, हम लोग इंग्लिश अच्छे से कैसे बोलते हैं, you know, things like that, कि all our films, you know, हमारी फिल्में just random break out into song and dance होती हैं, suddenly dancer कहाँ से आ जाते हैं, so there's a lack of understanding. So what is conscious from my end is whenever I walk onto a set, I want them to know that I'm an actor who knows my job. I want them, like I want people to never question कि मार्क पे कैसे खड़ा होना था। मुझे अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है और वो मुझे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने सिखाया है। So in that way, if I do good work and people work with me, then the representation of everything that I have learned by the Hindi film industry and the directors that I have worked with, तो वो correct होता है। तो वो I try and do right. I try to play characters, जैसे Alex Victoria से बहुत अलग होगी, just like I've done in my Hindi films as well. And second of all, I think I always try and explain to people कि हमारा जो culture होता है ना, हमको, I mean, गाना बजाना तो बचपन से ही होता है, बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम डांस करते हैं, बर्थडे होता है हम डांस करते हैं, अगर अभी म्यूजिक बजाते तो अभी भी हम लोग डांस कर लेंगे, आप लोग भी और मैं भी। तो you know, हमारी कहानियाँ जो होती हैं, they are told by music. That is a way of telling a story. Instead of a scene, we have a song. And so I try and explain to people that it's a cultural difference. But besides that, I think it's really cool that now that people have gotten to know me, जो मेरे show को भी देखते हैं, उन्होंने कितनी सारी मेरी हिंदी फिल्में देखी हैं, and people like write to me and talk to me about the first time they've watched like Baji Rao Mastani or Barfi, and it's really so much fun for me to, you know, have that sort of cultural exchange.
Months back we met in Spain for an interview. You said very categorically, whichever project you would be in, you want to make sure that you are also in the poster like the other actors, and they should not take Indian actors for granted. In the beginning, हमने आपके जो interviews देखे जो West में लिए गए थे, we thought the anchors were being a little arrogant because they did not have an idea about you or our country India. But of late, they have warmed up to us, the country, the Indians. Have they really warmed up to the color brown? Can you tell us by instances how their notions and perceptions about India have been broken?
Okay, so you've asked 3 questions in one, huh? Now let me answer one by one if I've understood. You can't be so entitled, and us also as the Hindi film industry. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा हम तो इंडिया में स्टार हैं तो हर कंट्री में होना चाहिए. Not cool. वहाँ मतलब, you know, different people are different celebrities in different countries. So I never expected that. I am okay walking into a room saying, "Hi, I'm Priyanka Chopra and I'm an Indian actor." मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ, एंड उसमें कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. हमारे अचीवमेंट्स बहुत बड़े हैं. सो स्लोली, ऑफ कोर्स, nobody had seen my work that time. Quantico had just come out. I never thought they were mean, except for a few people, and I know who you're talking about. But I don't think anyone was mean. I think the American press has been wonderfully accepting of me. In fact, I haven't seen them being like this to a lot of Indian actors. I mean, if you think about it. They're wonderful with me. They are so friendly, so loving, so encouraging. For someone like me. So I don't know, I can't say about brown skin and I can't generalize, but I definitely think that's my endeavor. We are 1/5 of the world's population. तो हमारा representation international cinema में, global cinema में, global entertainment में बहुत जायज़ है, होना चाहिए, and that is on us. We have to make sure that we are good enough and we put ourselves out there and say कि मैं अपने character के ऊपर I'm going to pay attention and I'm going to work on it because I know how to do it. मैं काफ़ी prolific film industry से आई हूँ. So I don't feel small when I walk in. And I think, yeah, it takes a while to introduce. Whenever somebody comes here new, जब मेरी पहली फिल्म में आई थी तब आप लोग भी तो नहीं जानते थे मुझे. You also warmed up to me after a while. So it's just natural, I think.
Priyanka,
Hi Priyanka.
Justin
Hi
here.
Priyanka. I'm Shutapa. Hi, here in the middle.
Just say
Hi,
okay.
I'm Shutapa from
Speakers,
Bombay.
yeah, Sorry.
I'm Shutapa from Bombay Times. So you were just now talking about stereotypes, and it's just not about perception. It's also about the rules we adhere to also in our country. In India, the film industry is mostly family-based film industry. In this film, Baywatch, you're playing a really badass character. While you have also played badass characters in India, how was it, dropping F-bombs and, talking about...
That one was very scary.
Yeah, how was it?
The first time I had to say it, I got very embarrassed. मेरे कान गरम हो गए थे. Because I'm not someone who by nature curses. चाहे वो हिंदी में हो या इंग्लिश में. Even at home, like even with my friends, I don't by nature do it. And फिल्मों में तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं. विशाल सर से मेरी कितनी विशाल भारद्वाज कितनी बार उन्होंने कोशिश की थी कि एक गाली दे दो. मुझसे नहीं होता. I get really shy. So, but I knew this was a rated R movie. It is, red band trailers. ये वो film है. This is that world. And I'm an actor और मेरा काम है to be able to, it's my job and my responsibility to fit myself into the world that I play in. मैं कभी भी अपने आप को play नहीं करती हूँ अपने characters में. I don't believe in that. I'm an actor and my job is to act. So that's what I've done with Victoria. This is the world that she is in and she drops the F-bomb. Yes, I do have one. I wish that Hollywood was not so punctual. बड़ी problem होती है मुझे. I wish they were a little bit more like us. That I had a problem with. Baki, I don't think so. I think filmmaking and cinema everywhere is the same. The only difference is 8 o'clock they say they'll start by 8:02. Which मेरे लिए बड़ी problem होती है, as first of all as a girl and as an Indian actor. But secondly, I think the difference for me was television and films. I'd never done TV except Khatron Ki Khiladi, which I just shot for like 20 days, long time. The way television works is like 15 scenes a day, it's really, really fast. Whereas movies are a lot more language. So when I shot Baywatch, I felt like I was doing a Hindi film. It was the same thing. But except that, except that we spoke in English and we speak in Hindi. But I don't feel the difference in filmmaking as much.
Thank you guys. I think that'll be it.
Sir, मेरे पास remote control है. I overview everything. And I know people keep asking me कि कैसे मैं produce भी कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे काम वहाँ पे कर रही हूँ. I fly down people with hard drives to check on edits of my film. Creatives are all mine. Business is all my mother. We're a partnership. She handles all the business. I handle all creatives. Font se leke, final cut tak, of course. And the only way to do it is if you really want to do it. And I really want to do it. I want to be able to be someone who can do everything. वक्त की पाबंदी की वजह से मैं कुछ ना कर पाऊँ वो मेरे साथ कभी नहीं होगा.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much.